Hey everybody, Aaron from Fleetistics, and I want to introduce you to an industry first insurance dash cam just for fleets. We have set up a program unlike anything that you have seen before out there because we recognize that when you are doing this for insurance, you don't need to capture all the video that you would normally get with an operations type dash cam. So what we have done is we have set a low monthly base fee, and that's all you pay until you need more information off the cameras. So if you don't need any information off of your entire fleet for 6 months, all you pay is the low very base fee. If you have an accident or you need to look at some video, then you would pay just for the video that you download to address your situation. The next month, guess what? You're back to the base monthly fee. So give Fleetistics a call. We know that we have the best rate and the best program for fleet insurance applications in the industry. Give us a call at Fleetistics. Thank you.